Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship on Etsy from AliExpress. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm also going to show you guys how you can avoid Etsy suspension. A lot of people do dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. I would say like 10% of sellers on Etsy they dropship from AliExpress, okay? But that doesn't mean you can like list any product you can find on AliExpress, okay? You have to be careful on what products you can list on your Etsy, okay? So on your Etsy store. Now, as you know guys, like Etsy focuses more on handmade products. You cannot sell like, for example, iPhones or something that is electronic, so because that's not handmade, so a company is involved in that, okay? So you can only sell handmade products on Etsy, okay? So for example, as you can see, this product is a handmade, as you can see, the handmade products, okay? So as you can see, it looks like it's handmade product. If you scroll down, you can find like multiple items here that are like mostly handmade, okay? As you can see, all the products I found here on Etsy are handmade products, okay? But what you need to do guys is you want to go to AliExpress and search for handmade too, okay? So when you search for handmade, you can find necklaces, you can find rings, okay? You can also find custom necklace. Like if someone purchases the item, for example, I'm going to search here for necklace, okay? I'm going to search for custom necklace, okay? I'm going to search here for custom necklace. So after I purchase the item, I can then contact the seller. Hi, I want my name to be in the necklace. They can do that, okay? As you can see, custom name necklace here. I'm going to click on here. As you can see, it's custom name necklace here. And what you guys need to do is you want to search here for custom name necklace on AliExpress. What I want you guys to understand is you cannot sell like electronics or anything like that. You can only sell handmade products, okay? So this way you can now like find like handmade products on AliExpress and list them on your Etsy. I'm going to reload this page and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. So I'm going to search here for custom, okay? I'm going to search here for necklace, okay? Necklace. I'm actually going to search. I'm going to search for custom necklace. Okay, so as you can see, you will find a lot of sellers that they can do like the exact same thing. Okay, so as you can see, this is the exact same product. As you can see, this guy is a drop shipper. Okay, so this guy on Etsy here, as you can see, he is selling it for $13, and this only costs like $3 on AliExpress. That's exactly guys what I want you to understand, okay? So as you can, this is a custom. So after you purchase the item, you can then contact the seller. Hi, I want this specific name to be in the necklace, okay? And then they can add that for you. As you can see, it's the exact same product, as you can see, okay? It's the exact same product. I'm going to show you guys exactly the product. As you can see, the pictures are taken from AliExpress. As you can see here this name, and you can go to Etsy and you can see this. So this guy is a drop shipper, and that's exactly guys what you need to do. You can copy the exact same thing, okay? So this guy has sold like thousands of items for like $13, okay? So if let's say that he sold only like 1,000 items for $13, of course it's not all profit, so the profit margin is going to be around, I would say like $2 include the shipping. It's like $5. Etsy takes a percentage of that, so he's going to be left with around like $7 profit. It's $7,000 just from this item alone. You can list as many items as you want on Etsy, and that really, as you can see, even customers are happy with the product. They don't know that it's coming from China, like it's just a cheap product. As you can see, this is a lovely necklace that I gave to my friend as a part of her like calendar. As you can see, she was happy with the necklace. As you can, these necklaces are lovely, they are well made and very pretty. People love these necklaces, even though like the product is coming from China, because it's all about the marketing. You know, people just want to buy expensive things even if the product quality is not really that good, just because they purchased it for like $14 or $15. Do you think that it's a high quality product? Okay, even though it's the same quality like of the $2 item. Okay, it's all about the mental thing, you know. It's all like about the like marketing. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. I don't want you guys to list products like this. I'm going to show what I mean. Okay, I'm going to search here for, you cannot list like car washer, for example, or this product. It's not handmade. You can only list handmade products on Etsy. Okay, so if you guys don't understand anything, all I do in my life is dropshipping. Okay, I don't have anything to do, I only do dropshipping. That's exactly what I love to do. If you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If there is anything that makes you wonder if this or that, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. And see you guys in the next video. Make sure you drop a like on this tutorial, that would be highly appreciated.